I hear a lot of people struggling. How do we make a soup very interesting? And वो भी broccoli का. Let's make it together. The most healthiest broccoli soup. So what I love to do is to make all the recipes into zero oil cooking. So when you see it कि मैंने एक बूंद तेल नहीं यूज़ किया, चाहे मैं कोई भी सब्जी या कोई भी खाना बनाती हूँ, and मुझे वो ingredients अच्छे लगते हैं यूज़ करना जो people are not, they don't really enjoy eating it, like broccoli. और ये जब stock देख रहे हैं ना, this is like an old style stock बनाने का तरीका, and I love it because इसके अंदर जो सब्जियां हैं वो not everybody likes the cabbage and the potatoes and all. We don't need to use any corn flour because of the stock, and that's what I love about this recipe. You can try this, and instead of using any regular milk, I'm using plant-based milk and some nut butter. It's an almond butter जो enhance कर देता है पूरी taste को. And the next ingredient which I love is the nutmeg. उससे बहुत simple है लेकिन बहुत tasty बन जाता है. The whole recipe of how to make it and what are the ingredients is in the caption. Do see that, and you guys are going to just love this.